Hello teachers, if you want to make your classroom teaching more interesting, visual and engaging, then this update from NCERT is very important for you. A special online training program using Canva is organized for teacher where you will learn how to create visual learning resource for classroom teaching. So now let's see in detail. So as you can see in the poster, this program is organized by NCERT and Canva Education. The title of this training is Creating Visual Learning Resources for Classroom. Now let us see what teacher is going to learn in this training. First thing which they are going to learn is create attractive teaching slide. Second, design visual explanation for difficult topic. Make educational poster and infographic. Develop engaging classroom presentation. And lastly, digital tool for better student learning. Now let us see the training schedule. So this program will run from 16th to 20 March 2026 and this will be daily session. Timing will be 12:30 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. So each session will be around 45 minutes, making it very convenient for teachers to learn. Now, who should attend this training? So this training should be useful for school teacher, teacher educator, pre-service teacher and anyone interested in digital education tool. Now let us see how you can register. For registering, you can scan this QR code which is given in this poster. After scanning, you will be redirected to Google registration form. Once you register, you will receive the session link and other detail. So now let's see how to register. So once you scan the QR code, you are going to get this Google form with heading Creating Visual Learning Resources for Classroom Registration. So now let's see what are the details they are asking. So first thing, you need to enter your email ID. Then you need to choose your state, from which state you are. If it's also available for other country as well, if you are not staying in India but you are interested to learn, then your title, the name of the participant, but participant name should be in block letter. Then your profession, whether you are school teacher, administrator, educator, school student or student of BA, DLED, other parents, any whatever is field you can choose. Then if you're a teacher, you need to choose the label of your teaching, whether you are teaching to primary school, upper primary, secondary, senior secondary, UG, PG or not applicable. Not applicable for student or any other parents and all. Then how did you know about this training? Choose and click on submit button. Once you submit the Google form, you are going to get this message which says thank you for registering and you can join directly on this date 16 to 20 March and this program will be conducted live on NCERT official YouTube channel. Teachers, this type of training is very important because visual learning improves student understanding. Digital tool make teaching easier. It helps create professional classroom content. So if you want to upgrade your digital teaching skill, you should definitely attend this program. If you found this update useful, please like the video, hype the video and share it with other teachers so more educator can benefit from this training. Also subscribe to the channel for regular update on CBSE and teacher vacancy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.